Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to view the modifier on the invoice screen. For a detailed explanation on the invoice and account details screen, click on the link in the video description to open the invoice screen or the account details manuals. The modifiers video will only be about the modifier code that is visible on the invoice after it was posted. The account details screen is there for the user so they can easily access all account related matters on one screen. The primary purpose of an invoice is to provide the practice and the patient with a record of service. To build the procedures and items or materials that were used on the patient, you will create an invoice. The practitioner will build a modifier code and apply it to the applicable procedure codes. A modifier allows the practitioner to indicate that a service or procedure that has been performed has been altered by specific circumstances but has not changed in its definition or code. From the diary, click on the correct patient's booking. The diary sidebar will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. In the sidebar, click on the Account Details button. The Account Details screen will open. On the Account Details screen, under the Invoice tab, the invoices will display. Click on the Invoice Lines tab to view the invoice lines that the user built. The modifier will display in the modifier column and will also display on what lines it was applied to. Click on the Close button to exit the clinical case screen without saving.